You think this is just an elephant's trunk? Bro, this thing is basically a built-in multi-tool. Hello guys, you are watching Wildlife with Anisha. Today we are talking about one of the nature's most incredible creations, the elephant's trunk. An elephant's trunk has over 40,000 muscles. Meanwhile, humans struggles to get out of a bed with just 600. This one trunk can breathe, drink water, grab food, smell danger, and even give cute elephant hugs. But wait, do you know? It can carefully pick up a tiny queen and snap a giant tree branch like it's nothing. So technically, an elephant's trunk is nose, hand, straw, shower, machine, and probably better than most gadgets we own. Nature God once really said, let's give this animal the premium unlimited package. Thank you for watching and comment down if you want more such videos and don't forget to subscribe.